Hello, everybody. Chuck here, alcoholic, brought back to sanity by my higher power, Jesus Christ. A friend of mine on X who gives me encouragement had something about we're forged by our past and the fires of our past. And I was taking a walk a couple days ago, and I thought that was a pretty good line to try to write a song about. So I kind of wrote the song, finished it this morning, put some music to it, and I'm just going to try to play it and see what happens. It's called A Forging Fire. So it's kind of about how our past, we shouldn't regret it or close the door on it, because our past is our testimony that might help somebody else with the same kind of problems that we're having. So let's give it a try. I was forged by a fire of my own making, hardened by the flames of my past sin. And my dreams, they dissolved upon awaking, because I would not let my Savior in. I always woke up reaching for the bottle, trying to quench life's smoldering flames, and burning alcohol became a false idol, till unwillingness was all that remains. I would not awaken from my nightmare. I found the life I forged was so lost, until I found my God was always there, and I let His Spirit lead me to the cross. I said, oh God, please my God, oh my God, pull me from the fire, from the depths of this hell that had buried my soul. Oh Lord, please accept my surrender. Loving you is my strong desire. Lord, never let me, oh God, never let me, don't let me retake control. I was tempered by temptation, but now I need to know the steps to my redemption. Oh Lord, please help me grow. And I say, please, oh please my God, oh God, pull me from the fire, from the depths of this hell that had buried my soul. Oh Lord, please accept my surrender. Loving you is my only desire. Never let me, oh never let me, my God, never let me never let me retake control. Never let me, oh Lord, never let me retake control. Yeah, I made it through. I'll probably play it different because I just put the music to it, and that's the first time I really played it. So anyway, if you find that there might be some worth to this message, please subscribe. I'll never monetize this channel. Subscribe and like and spread it around. God bless you all. Have a great week.